there to save money. That's why 93% of customers say they improved their visibility and control when they upgraded to NetSuite. What are you waiting for? NetSuite is offering a one-of-a-kind flexible financing program. Head to netsuite.com/special. netsuite.com/special.
Check back in on your ride home.
Or anytime on the free Odyssey app.
If it matters to you.
It's on KNX News, 97.1 FM.
12:45, I'm Art Sanders. Coming up.
I'm Margaret Carrero with why jury deliberations are starting from the beginning again in the case of a former UCLA gynecologist accused of sexually abusing patients.
MasterCard's launching a new service that lets customers use their bank account to buy cryptocurrency. DC Comics' newest movie will have to compete in a crowded superhero landscape. Those stories coming up next 15 minutes. But first at 12:45, traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5s. Here's Tanya Campos.
Okay, we've got some backup in Westminster now. All lanes are stopped on the 22 East at Beach Boulevard. There's a car that crashed with the center divider. Apparently that car is on top of the center divider wall. And so they're requiring a tow truck. And again, all lanes are stopped. It looks like they did get somebody out of that vehicle. That slowdown starts right about Beach Boulevard. And that crash closer to Magnolia. That's where I'm seeing the backup. So that's a slow stretch right now. Another spot we're going to be delayed is just down the road, southbound 405 at Springdale. From Springdale to Westminster, got a full closure in place, and that's backing you up about a quarter of a mile before you get to that detour. Another place where there's a full closure is in Costa Mesa. The southbound 405 is fully closed from Fairview to the 73. We've got a car now in South LA. This is stranded on the 105 East connector to the 110 North. It looks like that's over in the right shoulder, but there are people in that vehicle, so watch out for that right lane as you make that transition until they can get that cleared. And in the valley in Burbank, the eastbound 134, look out for a closure to the southbound 5. Next report at 12:55 from the Irvine Auto Center 24-hour traffic center.
A warming trend is expected through Wednesday. We're looking at temperatures mostly in the 70s and 80s with some 90s, and then things actually get a little cooler, increasing cloud cover toward the end of the week and the weekend as well. At this point, we're looking at offshore conditions, and temperatures should see some warming for our Tuesday, maybe 5 degrees or so warmer, and a similar jump into Wednesday of this week. With Southern California's most accurate and dependable forecast, I'm CBS 2 meteorologist Evelyn Taft, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Northridge with 66 degrees this hour. Redondo Beach 62. Santa Ana 61 degrees at 12:47. The judge instructs the jury in the sex abuse trial of former UCLA gynecologist James Heaps to start his deliberations from the beginning. Margaret Carrero tells us why.
The panel was told to start over after a juror who tested positive for COVID over the weekend was replaced with an alternate juror. The jury just got back from a week-long break after spending just under 2 days considering the case against Heaps. He has pleaded not guilty to 21 felony counts, including sexual exploitation of a patient. During closing arguments, a prosecutor said that Heaps used his position as a doctor and a specialist to sexually assault 7 incredibly vulnerable women. The defense argued that the evidence showed the examinations performed by Heaps were appropriate and for a medical purpose. Margaret Carrero, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Well, you may not be aware of it, but your TV knows a lot about you. Chris Seaton says it shares that information.
Smart TVs collect a lot of data about what you watch with the technology called Automatic Content Recognition, or ACR.
The whole goal of this is to really get as much information about you as possible so that it can then be sold or shared for marketing and advertising purposes.
Jim Wilcox is an electronics expert at Consumer Reports.
Some TVs even have something called cross-device tracking, which will combine the TV info that you're getting from you with data from other devices. Could be a smartphone, could be a laptop.
Smart TVs connect to the internet, making it easy to stream videos. Wilcox says the streaming apps on your set can collect data on you, even if you don't ever sign in. Chris Seaton's KNX News 97.1 FM.
Oh, looks like streaming has slashed the box office take of a big new horror film. Brian Ping has this one.
Halloween Ends may look and sound a lot like the many films of the franchise that preceded it, but
Something feels different. He's more dangerous.
in addition to this time being supposedly final, Universal is also streaming it through Peacock, which could explain its underwhelming $40 million debut weekend. LA film critic Scott Vance says he liked the film.
And I thought it was fun. It had a lot of humor. It was also pretty gory, which is what you would expect from a Halloween movie.
But he also tells us you can skip the big screen.
It's nothing like the first Halloween movie that came out in 1978, which is one of the all-time classics. But I thought it was fine, and if you're going to watch it at home on the Peacock Network, it'll do the trick.
Mance notes Halloween Ends does clearly mark the end of Michael Myers, but hey, there could always be reboots. Brian Payne, KNX News 97.1 FM.
12:50. Let's look at your money. Bloomberg's Larry Kofsky.
The week is off to a solid start on Wall Street, with stocks posting their best gains in 2 weeks yesterday. Sustaining the rally may be another matter, as we've seen more than once in recent weeks. Big one-day gains in the market were often followed by equally big pullbacks. The Nasdaq led the way higher yesterday, climbing nearly 3.5%, even as Bloomberg Economics saw a 100% likelihood of a recession in the next 12 months. Coming up today, the first of several housing reports due this week. The National Association of Home Builders Index of Builder Sentiment is expected to show a decline this month. MasterCard is launching a service that will let consumers buy and sell cryptocurrencies through their bank accounts, enabling hundreds of finance firms to offer crypto trading for the first time. The service, called Crypto Source, will debut next year. We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Larry Kofsky from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News 97.
Well, next up, in 2.5 minutes on KNX, we will have the latest on a new research project on food insecurity. It's 12:51.
When it's moving at the speed of
Get 'em. They are
the bomber's gone.
Yeah, bomber's gone.
We've got you covered on the ground and in the air.
Totally bizarre situation. They were actually walking on the 91 East.
KNX News 97.1 FM.
The 7 Series BMW.
Not anymore.
Depend on us.
If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. It would actually be food. It would be made with real fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve their nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio. Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans. The new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID, and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued. So keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
Liam Mason, foodie champ here for Trimark. Trimark has been partnering with independent restaurateurs and many of my favorite chefs in Northern California for over 55 years. Trimark's extremely knowledgeable and experienced sales staff built their careers as chefs and product specialists in the food service industry. Trimark's #1 goal is to bring your innovative product solutions to help your hospitality business thrive. Trimark provides it all: food service equipment, supplies, and design. Visit TrimarkWest.com.
Is for every eye, lip, and face. Your originality is our inspiration. From full-on maximalist to fresh-faced minimalist, we have a product for everyone and every look in between. Featuring viral products like our Halo Glow Liquid Filter, Power Grip Primer, Glossy Lip Stain, and more. Check out the latest game-changing beauty trends that are filling up your social feed. We make the best in beauty accessible with high-quality products at Get Real prices. All 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Because looking good and feeling good, that's elfing amazing.
3 at KNX. 90 seconds. We'll get your next check of the drive. Residents living at or below the poverty line in the city of Los Angeles have gone through a wild ride over the last 3 years when it comes to food insecurity. New research out of USC shows dramatic swings in the availability and affordability of food for people in LA, matching the economic volatility of the COVID pandemic years. Nearly 1 in 4 households are reporting a disruption in regular eating because of financial concerns. Lead researcher Kayla De La Haye at USC tells KNX there are simply too many people living on the financial edge.
We all know cost of living is really high. A lot of people need to put a lot of their money into rent. And when volatility happens, when a household loses a job, when benefits increase, but then there's a benefits cliff and things change again, and inflation is happening at the same time, in LA County, there's a lot of folks living near the poverty line who are just balancing their budgets. And